आम्ही दिव्यांगां खातीर पर्पल फेस्टिवल केले, मात समाजान आतां तांकां समजून घेवपाची गरज आसा. दिव्यांगां कडेन बरे रितीन वागपाक जाय अशें मुखेलमंत्री दोतोर सावंत हांणी पर्पल फेस्टिवलाच्या समारोप सुवाळ्या वेळार म्हळां. फेस्टान आयिल्ल्या दिव्यांगांक पर्पल फ्रेंड म्हणुया अशें मुखेलमंत्र्यान सांगलां. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
The International Purple Fest has been the platform for showcasing the innovative, technology-driven equipment designed to empower our Divyang friends in overcoming the physical challenges. The fest become the melting pot of ideas and solutions that will contribute significantly to improving the lives of those with unique abilities. I'm also glad to acknowledge that on the sideline of the International Purple Fest 2024, we have inaugurated the Divyang-oriented project in Goa. The Matrushaya Rugnashray, the Spine Injury Rehabilitation Center at Bambolim, is a multidisciplinary approach encompasses the medical care, physical therapy, occupational therapy, and psychological support and vocational training tailored to each individual's need will focus on ensuring well-being of the people behind the physical therapy. Another project, the PM Divyanshay Kendra, is all set to provide the assistant equipment the free of cost to Divyang individuals, providing them with the ease of living through the support to overcome their physical challenge. Through this festival, we have built the bridge of understanding and compassion. It has been the educational journey for everyone involved, breaking the stereotypes and fostering the sense of unity that transcends the physical abilities. It brings me the great pleasure to acknowledge the remarkable participation of 13,000 delegations from all the corners of the world. This festival has now geared up to standard as a collective achievement of everyone present here and beyond. As we draw the curtain of the International Purple Fest, let it not be the end, but it is a stepping stone towards the more inclusive and compassionate society. Let the spirit of this festival inspire us to continue to create the avenues of our Divyang community to thrive, learn, and contribute. I would like to say that few words for the Divyang community. You are not defined by your challenges, but you are defined by the strength with which you have overcome them. I commend each participant of their determination and the fighting spirit they brought to the Purple Fest.